So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this COBIZI. This is a car canopy, or basically any type of outdoor type canopy. So let's just go ahead, open it up. You know what, nice little package here. And it's heavy, everybody. It doesn't look like a lot of assembly. You've got the sidewalls right here and the top, and this is all one big unit. So what you're gonna do is just unfold all of this unit out and then put the walls and top on there. And it looks just like that. It's a long tent that way, and then it's got the width like that, and it's got 3 to 6 legs going. And all it is just a fold out top canopy. You do have some stakes here and some guidelines. This is the bottom, and that's the top. So let's go ahead, let's take it all out. Let me lay it out, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now that I have the frame out, let me so you get a little set of instructions to this. You see there's one piece of frame, one piece canopy top, which is that over there, some stakes, and the way they have it, you basically get 2 people, you just walk it out and then extend it up. Now I'm gonna try to do this with me just by myself. I think I can do it one-handed. Let's go ahead and try to extend this out, and once I pull it like this, you guys can witness how I'm doing it here. Just like this. Now, once I kind of get it going out, I think all I got to do is get in the middle and lift it up. Oh, that's handy. That's easy. That's a lot easier to work. Now that I'm like right here, what I'm going to do is put the top on, because once we extend it out, you won't be able to get the top on. So let's throw the top on, then let's push it up, and I can see how this pushes up into there, then it latches. So let's get that top on now. Okay, what I figured out, everybody, I lowered the legs back down, so that way when it's in its smallest point, you push it up, and you need these 2 to connect right here. So when those 2 connect, it is finished. Now what I'm gonna do is go around, and you see these little Velcro pieces right here? I'm just gonna roll all these around, hook up all the Velcro, then we'll lift the legs up and we should be good. So let's do that now. So once you push these down, they lock into place right there using that red piece right here. They're all locked in. Technically, this thing is ready to go. It looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this car up in it and then show you guys with a car in there. Now, I'm gonna stake it down. I might end up moving it over to that corner here in a little while, but right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna show you kind of how this thing works. And then the guideline will go from here and then lock it down. Now I'll put those on last once I find a final location, but right now this was very easy to set up. So my car sits right here, and it is very, like right now, it's pretty much like a hot spring, kind of closing in on summer day, and that is very hot, almost too hot to the touch. But when it's up under this, we should be able to keep the sun and all of this pollen. There's tons of pollen on this thing. You guys see that, how much pollen? And kind of like any type of hail or rain or anything like that will keep the car protected up under this thing. So already filling up the car, there's a temperature difference already. Just being under it for like the past 5 minutes here, it's already changed the temperature of the car, which I think would be great, especially if you're trying to preserve your paint job on your car. Being out in the UV and the sunlight all the time is not good for them, and having it up under this canopy is a great way to go. Don't have a pull under garage, and I just want a canopy like this. Now I am going to put it over here out of the side and then lock it down a little bit more, and there are some walls right here, and I'll probably put these walls on. I'm not messing with it right now. I think right now I'm just going to leave it like it is, but I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants a portable carport that they can put anywhere, actually put somewhere and take down. And it'd be great for like birthday parties, events, or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the COBIZI, you know, carport canopy, party canopy. See you all in the next video.